Imagine hiring a software engineer that never sleeps, works 24/7, and never needs coffee, all for almost no cost. Meet Devin AI, the world's first fully autonomous AI software engineer. This could change everything you know about coding and tech jobs. AI tools like ChatGPT already help write code, but Devin AI doesn't just assist, it handles everything from planning to deployment. Is this the future of coding or a massive job threat? Devin was created by Cognition, and it's designed to be a full-stack software engineer. It can read a brief, plan a project, write the code, test it, and even fix its own bugs. Devin builds web apps, connects to APIs, fixes broken code, and even handles cloud deployment. It's already passed real-world engineering tasks that companies hire for. For businesses, Devin could mean faster development and lower costs. But for developers, this sparks a serious question. Is this the start of smaller software teams? Devin isn't perfect, yet. It struggles with creative problem-solving and complex architecture. Plus, someone still needs to review its work. Think of Devin as a super junior dev, not a CTO. Developers, don't fear Devin. Learn to work with AI. Businesses, think of Devin as a tool to boost efficiency, not a replacement for your entire team. So here's the thing. I was actually planning to showcase Devin AI in action for you guys. But there's a catch. To really use Devin, you need access to Cognition's platform. And right now, that's locked behind some serious paywalls and exclusive invites. And honestly, $500 a month just to test this out? Yeah, I'm not exactly swimming in cash like that. Still, Devin AI is a wild concept, and I'll be keeping an eye on it for you. If they make it more accessible, I'll be back with a full breakdown. Until then, let me know. Would you pay $500 a month for an AI engineer? Drop your thoughts below, and don't forget to like, sub, and stick around for more AI tools shaking up the game.